Hey, John Hill, Starmark Home Inspections. Here today to show you a pretty common plumbing problem that comes up a lot. Usually this is a result of somebody, homeowner, trying to do some plumbing themselves. And it's under the sink here. So we can open this up and show you what's going on here. Here we've got a 2-bowl sink. There's no garbage disposal. So coming down on this side we've got a drain trap, and then coming down out of the other side there's also a drain trap. So effectively out of this one bowl it's double trapped, and that will keep it from draining like it should. There should only be one drain trap on a line with going to a vent, and it's a pretty common mistake to see this, but it's very easy to fix. Till next time, this is John Hill, Starmark Home Inspections. See ya.